Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to download Delta Executor for iOS and Android. So this is a Roblox like script. It's super cool. So if you guys are interested in downloading it, keep watching, guys. I will show you the site where you can actually download this. It's called hexmods.com. So just go to this site and find Delta Executor. You can search it up, of course. Press the download button and it will start downloading. Now, before it downloads, there will be a verification you have to do, which is pretty easy. You just have to download two apps, complete the instructions. They're 100% for free, and they're from the official App Store. So I'm going to show you guys exactly to do it. So basically, it's going to say complete two free app surveys to finish installing the mod. It's going to be around four of these apps, and you just press on it, press tap to install. It'll bring you to the Play Store, and you're going to be all set. Now, I'm on an Android, but if you're on an iPhone, it'll bring you to the App Store. But as you can see, this says reach level 15, so that's pretty easy. This one says down, install, play 4 games for 5 minutes. This one says install, and install 2 games. So they're all different, guys, but it doesn't really matter, does it? Because all we're trying to do is get the Delta Executor for iPhone and Android. So I'm going to see you guys later. So just complete the verification. It's pretty easy. You just have to download the two apps. You're going to be all set. So pretty simple. Also, I'm in the US, so if you're in another country, you might have different apps. But yeah, this is super insane, guys. So be sure to try out for yourself. I've been really just on the hunt for a Delta Executor, but most of these videos out there are pretty bad. They're like jailbreaking videos and stuff, so I wanted to avoid that, so that's why I made this guide for y'all. So if you're interested, be sure to try it out. See you guys in another video, but yeah, be sure to subscribe to this channel. This is so crazy, brother. Oh my gosh. Delta Executor for iPhone, for Android, for all the devices. It is time, brothers.